Bowling, something I didn't get to do much in the past just because I was a broke college student, but now I finally have the financial freedom to buy myself 2 bags of Cheetos and 2 tickets to play bowling in Shenzhen, China. But the main question still lingers: do Chinese people like to play with balls, bowling balls? Quick answer: yes. There's a lot of bowling balls in this area, especially private bowling balls that they store within these bowling area. And usually a lot of kids after school, they come here and take private lessons in bowling, and also regulars play bowls maybe once per day, or actually once per week, with their company or with their friends. And the ticket itself is actually pretty affordable for normal regular people in China, and especially if you are a foreigner living in China. It only costs around 100 RMB for 12 rounds. And this particular area, it was quite bit more expensive. It was like 150, but it was still worth the price. You do have to wait a long time if you are going through the weekends, like Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but if you go through the weekdays, it's actually cheaper and less people. So I would highly recommend you come during weekdays with your friend, because most of the time a lot of ESL teachers have Monday, Tuesday off anyways.